Hey guys, how's it going? So, probably not gonna get a lot of views for this, but I don't really care. And I'm just gonna share my thoughts on it, and I really think that the market is being a little bit irrational on this. But Disney Plus decided to increase their subscription price from, I think, it was like up $1 or something. I think it was like 7.99, 6.99 to 7.99, $8, and the stock took off. And they also expects to triple the subscriber projection for 2024. So this is my 2 cents on it. I've owned Disney Plus for a year. I was the early subscriber. I bought up Disney Plus for a year. I went and I watched through all of Disney's content. I watched through all the Star Wars content. I watched, all the Marvel content, all the all the cartoons, like Phineas and Ferb. Like, seriously though, that was a very interesting cartoon. It was like singing and weird characters, but I somehow still like that series. But anyways, most of Disney's content, most of it, there is, the odd content that was kind of boring that I just kind of like stopped watching. Like some of the Marvel stuff was kind of boring. Yes, I know. I'm not, I gave everything a shot, and I found some of the Marvel stuff kind of boring. And most of the Disney's content was pretty good, I would have to say. Like, most of their movies are excellent. Like, Disney makes really good movies. Their like content series from Marvels were not so great. Some of the Marvel movies were kind of boring. There's a lot of Marvel fans, but I found some of the Marvel content kind of boring. But the cartoons and the cartoon movies, like all the cartoon movies were pretty good. I enjoyed it. Like Cars 1, Cars 2, Cars 3, they were really good, even though they were designed for kids. And my plans for Disney in the future is I plan to come back, but since I've already watched all the content on Disney, I plan to come back for 1 month, watch all the new releases they made, and unsubscribe, and wait another year, and then come back and watch all the content, and then wait. Like, that's my plan moving forward. I'm a cheap person. Most people are not like me. Most people are not cheap. Most people are like, most people could be like Netflix subscribers. They'll have their Netflix account for years and years and years and never unsubscribe, and just, come back once a week or once a month and watch a little bit of content and just let, Netflix, steal their money. For me, I'm a cheap person. I will watch all the content and then unsubscribe and come back a year later after they've released multiple different content, rewatch all that content, and then unsubscribe again. That's my plan moving forward. But most people will have their Disney Plus content for, they'll be used to having Disney Plus, and the type of people that would, hey, I want to watch a movie on Disney Plus like once a week or once a month, and they'll just keep their subscription. So I think Disney is a solid not long-term play. I think Disney is like, a company that will always be around because they make good content, but I wouldn't be a buyer at 166. I think that Disney is probably going to fall. at these prices. I could be wrong. Maybe rich people just keep pushing it up. They are having a lot of problems right now, and they did cut their dividend, but right now investors don't care. They are just happy that Disney Plus is growing, and they believe that streaming is the future. And I'm not gonna disagree with that. It is the future, but I don't know. I just think that Disney's a little overvalued at these prices, especially when they're losing money. I mean, yeah, eventually the movie theaters will come back, and now Disney will do extremely well with the movie theaters and with the Disney Plus content, plus the theme parks. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, but Disney was doing a lot better before, and their stock price wasn't as high, and now it's like way higher. And I think the market's acting a little irrational. But hey, but look at the EV market. The EV market extremely irrational right now, but that's the way the world works. Workhorse. Let's move on to some EV stocks. Workhorse up 2% this morning. Lordstown up 12% this morning. Here's Workhorse again. Just look at GameStop. I don't think I have GameStop up here. GameStop down this morning, 31 cents. Solo this morning is bouncing around. Neo this morning is down $1.86, 4.11%. They Neo raised more money. They announced a proposed offering of 60 million American deposit shares. So more cash is good. Cash is king, in my opinion, especially for these overvalued EV companies, which, could get more overvalued. QuantumScape this morning down $5.59, 7.29%. Desktop Metal this morning is bouncing back. Looks like people are buying it up. AMD is down this morning $1.22. Space this morning is up $1.17, 3.63%. QuantumScape down $5.77. Workhorse is already man, I have these like doubled up. Space this morning is up $1.08, 3.36%. Neo is down $2.18. Apple this morning is down $1.55. The entire market is actually kind of like down this morning. It's under low pressure. Facebook down $1.50. What is that? Do I have Tesla up here? Tesla, my Tesla. Just copying Jeremy. Tesla is down $8.46. Apple is Apple, Facebook, Bitcoin is under a little bit of pressure. ACB is down 20 cents this morning. Canopy Growth is down 27 cents this morning. Village Farms is down 27 cents this morning. Hexo is down, is neutral. Tilray is down 11 cents this morning. High Tide is not doing too much this morning. Not really trading, but yesterday was up massively. Today it was not really, kind of lagging right now, but this might be not an updated one. I think I would have to go High Tide stock TMX. This one will give you the most updated version 1. No, it's up. It's trading 657 volume just at the start of the morning, which is pretty healthy to start off the day with. Liberal Health Science, neutral. Harv today is up 2%. Man today is trading, not really moving anywhere. Ianthus today is up, down a penny. Cresco Labs is up 15 cents. Yeah, that's all I really have to say for this video. It is the Planet 13. Planet 13, Jeremy's baby, keeps, another good day for it, I think. Maybe. Hold on. Let's look. Planet 13. Oh. Planet 13 on the Canadian side, up another cent, 7 cents. How about Very? What is Very doing this morning? Very is... Oh, okay. No, Very is down 15 cents this morning. What's TAT doing this morning? I think I saw TAT announces voluntary exercise of warrants from October 2020 private placement for gross proceed of $10 million. Pleased to announce that for 5 million common share purchase warrant issued is connected with a $7 million private placement. Announced the company on October 9, 2020 have been voluntarily exercised at a price of $2 each for a total gross proceed of $10 million. The subscriber to place a placement were a group investors including Mrs. Debbie Chang, co-founder of Horizon Ventures, in her personal, so I guess the market was bullish and they pumped the stock. It's good. I don't know. I'm a shareholder and I'm happy to see the stock price goes up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.